Okay, for the status quo today, the opening government said many people who decide to be passive in politics is not have a good knowledge to be president candidate to vote. I think it's not true because, as we know, the candidate beside has charismatic power. They also have a knowledge to show that in Indonesia in 2019 we have watched the uh, debating event that the candidates give their argument about the political knowledge, and by that we know and we can see which the president are capable, which the candidates are capable to be a president. And so by that mean we do not need a test. Why we do not need a test? Because the test is always open the way to cheat. Everyone can be cheating while they joining or participating in test. The example, when the driving driving license test, everyone can be cheating. They just have to pay some money to the what we say to the group that help the task, and they get the license easily. So in every test everyone can be cheating. So also when the candidate participating the test, maybe they can also pay some money for the groups that help the task, so they have a certificate that they has a knowledge, a general political knowledge, I mean. So I think the test is not crucial thing to do for the candidate of political or president candidate. So the important thing is how to show everyone or the candidate show the citizen how they have a knowledge. So in 2019, as we know, the debating event is a way, and it's a good way to know the citizen, until citizen knowing how far the knowledge of the general political knowledge from the candidates. So the first, that is the reason why I'm not agree with that statement. Secondly, accept the knowledge power that the candidate has ability to about the knowledge. The candidate also must be has a power of charismatic power. The mean even the knowledge is important, but the charismatic more important, because if the candidate has no charismatic power, they cannot inviting the citizens to vote him, or to assist him to prove or to rebuild the Indonesia, and to make the goals it happen. Every candidate has the goals. So if the candidates want to make the goals it happen, he must be have a charismatic power, and also the knowledge is part of the power. So after that, in political, not just knowledge that we have to improve the citizens, but charismatic power to invite people to rebuild nation also needed, as I said before. So the secondly, our system like demonstration or telling everyone about the goals, how knowledge and charismatic they are, and the candidate by media like TV or internet, the demonstration. It's important because citizens want to watch, want to see the fact with their eyes, not just read the certificate that the candidate has from the test. After that, and I said because people want to see the fact or the real that can see, but certificate is not the way to show the people how the knowledge the candidate. So demonstration is important, and also debating event is important. So the conclusion is the test is not a good way to show the people, to show the citizen how knowledge how the candidate have a knowledge, has a knowledge. But the debating event is the way, the best way to show the people, to show the citizen how knowledge the candidate. So it's not it's a part of test, but not test like what you said before in like the governing opening government said before. So the test is not a good way, but the debating event, the demonstration system or advertisement system is the good way to know that how knowledge is the candidate is, and also how charismatic the candidate is and act. So I'm not agree with the statement that the political general knowledge test in order to vote it's required for the individual who want to be a candidate of presidents. And debating event is the way, the most way to know that the people can see, can watch, can look the candidates are capable to vote. But capable to vote. So I, when in 2019 when I saw the debating event, I choose one person that must be capable to be candidate, because I know, I see and I watch it that he has a knowledge, he has a charismatic powers, and he has many things that I want to vote him, to vote, to give him a vote. But yeah, in fact today, in a status quo today, the system is not honest. To be honest, the system is always be cheated, and the important is not the test, but we have to repair the system and repair the system of voting, because yeah, we can we can follow the real vote actually. But by the debating event and the demonstration system, we can see, we can know, the citizen can knowing how the candidates has a power of the charismatic and has a power of knowledge. So I'm not agree with the motion today. Thank you.